Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the skincare and hair care products from Apollo Noni. Before we jump into the video, let me just give you a quick background story of Apollo Noni. Now, the products of Apollo Noni are made up of natural Ayurvedic ingredients, and they have this super special ingredient called Noni. Now, Noni is a fruit which has got medicinal property and which has been used for years and years in our ancient civilization for healing property to protect human beings from diseases and also take care of human beings. Now, this is a product which has got huge benefits, and this can be used in skincare, hair care, as well as it has got medicinal properties, so it can be consumed as well. So Apollo Noni's products are rich in Noni extracts majorly, hence the name Apollo Noni. Now, the first product that we have here is this shampoo. This shampoo has got extracts of Noni and aloe vera. I'm sure you guys know that aloe vera is really good for your hair, and along with Noni, it actually deep conditions your hair, and it is obviously fit for all hair types. So if you have oily scalp, if you have dry scalp, or if you have any kind of hair concern, this will definitely solve your problem because it has got so many natural ingredients in it. They together take care of your hair, and if you have got breakage problem, if you have thinning hair, if you are going through hair loss, if you have flaky scalp, dry scalp, and if you have dandruff, then definitely use this product because Noni has got antifungal and antimicrobial property. So this actually fights those dandruff and fungus in your scalp and removes them. So this is a really nice product with goodness of so many natural ingredients. Now, moving on, the next product is this cream right here from Apollo Noni. Now, the name of the cream is Noni Skincare Cream Natural Skin Enhancer. Now, this cream again is suitable for all skin types, especially if you have combination skin like me. I actually have very sensitive skin. Not all creams suit my skin, but this cream right here is really good, I must tell you. This obviously has got Noni extracts, aloe vera extract, shea butter, coconut oil, enhances your skin, moisturizes your skin, and if you have very dry and flaky skin, it is the cream for you. So as soon as you apply the product, you definitely feel that your skin is kind of calmed and soothed, and you feel relaxed, and the fragrance is very soothing, guys, and a little goes a long way with this product. You don't need too much. So the best way to apply it is once during the daytime and once during the night time before going to sleep. And I think if you use it religiously for a good amount of time, then I think you would be able to see visible change in your skin. So if you have dry and dull skin, if your skin is lacking that radiance, even if you have skin concerns like eczema, you can go ahead and use this product. It will definitely calm your skin because of the soothing properties of aloe vera in it. And also, guys, since Noni has got antioxidants in it, it will definitely rejuvenate your skin. And since it has got anti-inflammatory property, it will obviously take care of the allergies if your skin has any. So you can use it both on your body as well as on your face. So I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and try this product and see the results for yourself. Moving on to the last product, which is soap from Apollo Noni. This soap is also fit for all skin types. Again, has got the goodness of aloe vera and Noni extracts. It has got many natural oils like coconut oil and vitamins and other minerals. And not only that, Noni also has got exfoliating property. So what happens is when you use it, it actually gets rid of the dead cells, rejuvenates you, moisturizes and hydrates your skin by penetrating deep inside. By the way, guys, this is fit for both your facial skin as well as for your body. Now, generally I wouldn't recommend you guys to use a soap on your face, but with this, since it has got so many good ingredients, you can go ahead and use it on your face as well. I myself am quite happy with this product. This is how the soap looks like, and the fragrance is very soothing. You have to obviously religiously use it for over a period of time so as to see the results. If you have any skin problems as well, you can go ahead and use it. and obviously all the products can be used by male and female. Also guys, if you have any kind of skin concerns like acne, pimple or sun damage and uneven skin tone, and if your skin is kind of lacking the radiance that it used to have, then I think this is the product you should not miss. So the single soap, which has got so many benefits, also it has got antimicrobial and antibacterial property. All these products, because of their natural ingredients like noni, aloe vera, together are very good for your skin and hair. I am quite impressed with this range. I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead, buy the products for yourself and use them religiously, and I'm sure you are going to love it. So yeah guys, those were all the products that I have from Apollo Noni, and I'm very impressed, as you can tell. I actually love doing such review videos which are beneficial for you as well. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have got any queries. I would love to answer them for you. And until next time, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.